I don't have a whole lot of 6 cent stuff. I have a little bit of it, but oh, there we go. I think that's a bass. Yep, I think if it don't come off, that's another bass. All right, get in here. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna end on this one, folks. I gotta get home. It's getting dark, but fish number 6, just since noon. He might make 12 inches. Well, man, he's so cold. He's trying to tense up. These mega bass jerkbaits, they are worth the money. Boy, he got that by the front hook. He's hooked with the middle hook. Oh, all right, I gotta get my pliers. Oh, here they ain't. Put my bifocals on so I can see. Oh, right there on the roof of the mouth. All right, that one's out. Middle one's out of there. All right. And on this one, folks, I'm going to go to the house. Oh, almost forgot to measure it and all that stuff. 12 3/4. Get my scale. Come on. 12 ounces. All right. So, all right, we'll get this fish turned loose, folks, and then I'm going to the house. Fix me a pizza and try to get rid of this crud I've got. But man, it's been a fun day. There's number 6 going back in Rollins Lake. Go on. There you go.